We are making first one oval like this. Okay. After that oval, just doing here one, this, like this and this. Okay. And middle of the circle. Okay. So here actually eyes. We are making eyes and nose. Here eyes, nose. So eyes over here means that here one eyes. See like this first. This is nose line, this is eyes line. So I am making the eyes, one eyes over here. Okay. And one eyes over here. Okay. These two eyes I make in this eyes line. This nose line. And in this nose line I make the nose and mouth. Like this. And in this eyes line we are making the ear. Okay. And now we are making like this cap, small cap over here. That head is done. I make the body, it's also oval. This is the body, it's also oval. Like oval. Okay. Like this oval. Okay. Done, Jaspita? Okay. Now naked, draw the one hand is, here's one hand and another hand is here. It's also oval and he's thinking something. See, make like this. He's thinking something. Another hand. One hand is back and one hand is front. Okay. Aram se. I make a pant and here the leg. Okay. Make one, two. Okay, like this, simple. One, two. Simple. And in body, they are wearing Happy New Year scarf. Okay. 2022. Okay. Simple. Now, he thought I draw one one circle. Okay, big circle. And double line. Okay. This is
It's a clock.
this is a clock. Okay, try it. Want to see when. Is waiting for the 2022 in front of calf. Okay. You can erase this.
Sir, done, sir.
Okay. Nice. You can make one small cat over here. That cat also wait. Make some cat over here. Okay. Something like this. Very simple. Cat is 6. You see, this is 6. This is circle. Okay. The boy is waiting for and ringing for 12 o'clock.
Sir, after this drawing, can we make our own one?
Yeah.
Sir, can you wait?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, I wait with that.
can we make our own one?
Yeah, I wait. Bye.
We went for drinking water.
Okay. You call your brother, okay? You call your
Call
brother.
my brother, sir.
Yes.
coconut.
To color around, see. This is black color, eyes, mouth and nose. Ishan, are you here, Ishan?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. Show your drawing, Ishan.
Sir,
Oh,
I joined. I had just gone for washroom.
okay, fine. Whatever you finish, you join. Show me, beta.
Okay, sir.
Make something color like this. Your own ideas can apply. Yes. Take your time, no problem.
Sir, I have done the drawing.
Show beta. Show
What,
me.
sir?
Show me.
So can I leave the meeting, sir?
Please show beta first.
Why, sir?
Plus
I
show.
will say in time.
Tanisha, first show your drawing. Okay. Ishan. Ishan beta. Are you here?